Hey there, welcome to my channel. If you love all things home improvement and life hacks, you're in the right place. Today, I've got 9 baking soda hacks that will change your life. Before we dive in, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. Hack number 1, deodorize your fridge. Got some funky smells in there? Just place an open box of baking soda inside, and it'll absorb all those odors, leaving your fridge smelling fresh and clean. Hack number 2, unclog drains. Pour half a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by half a cup of vinegar. Let it fizz for a few minutes, then rinse with hot water. Voila, no more clogs. Hack number 3, whiten your laundry. Add half a cup of baking soda to your laundry load. It brightens whites and keeps colors vibrant. Plus, it's a natural fabric softener. Hack number 4, freshen carpets. Sprinkle baking soda on your carpets, let it sit for about 15 minutes, then vacuum it up. Your carpets will smell amazing and look cleaner too. Hack number 5, clean your oven. Make a paste with baking soda and water, spread it over the oven grime, and let it sit overnight. In the morning, wipe it off. No harsh chemicals needed. Hack number 6, soothe bug bites. Mix baking soda with a little water to make a paste, and apply it to bug bites. It'll help relieve itching and reduce swelling. Hack number 7, remove stains from mugs. Got coffee or tea stains? Sprinkle some baking soda on a damp sponge and scrub those stains away. Your mugs will look brand new. Hack number 8, freshen up shoes. Sprinkle some baking soda inside your shoes and let it sit overnight. Shake out the powder in the morning and your shoes will be odor-free. Hack number 9, extinguish grease fires. Keep a box of baking soda near your stove. If a grease fire starts, pour baking soda over it to smother the flames. Safety first. And there you have it, 9 life-changing baking soda hacks that you must know. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.